Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best Shark rocket that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Shark HV302 Rocket Ultralight Upright Vacuum. Shark Rocket Ultralight is re-engineered to focus higher performance. It does all the cleaning, from carpet to floors to ceiling cleaning. Its swivel steering provides the best control. So, you can get under or around obstacles and clean to perfection. Also, it has a wand that allows you to reach up high places and tight spaces. It is extremely portable due to its ultra-lightweight design. The rocket weighs less than 8 pounds. The ergonomic handle has a rubber grip, thus prevents your hand from slipping. The fingertip controls ensure quick cleaning and adjusting from hard floor to carpet. The home and car detail kit contain micro tools. These tools help you to deep clean carpets by removing embedded dirt. Besides, it includes dust-away hard floor attachment and the microfiber pad. They pick up bigger dirt particles and fine dust on the floors. Storing the tool is simple with the dual storage options for secure storage. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Shark HV322 Ultra Light Upright Corded Vacuum. It is a highly maneuverable Shark rocket capable of getting around the furniture. Shark Rocket TruePet is versatile. It enables you to clean your floors, stairs, cars, and ceiling. Both the hand vacuum and the nozzle have powerful LED lights. Thus, you can easily spot any dirt hidden in your home. It is a pet multi-tool, thus captures all the pet hair on all surfaces. It weighs 8 pounds, which is light enough to clean without any heavy lifting. Just a press of a button, the tool switches between floor vacuum and handheld unit. It comes with a fiber duster that is washable and reusable. It allows you to clean all the dirt on all types of surfaces. Besides, it helps you wipe off smoke residue on the walls. At number 3, we have the Shark HV382 Ultralight Upright Vacuum. Shark DuoClean Rocket makes your cleaning process a breeze. With the adjustable suction head, you can switch to the floor surface. Hence, transitioning from carpet to hard floors is effortless. In fact, the cleaner head maintains maximum suction throughout the cleaning. It has an ultra-lightweight design. Also, it is versatile and allows above-floor cleaning. It ensures profound cleaning abilities of a bristle brush. Also, it has a soft roller, perfect for large debris, and polishes your hard floors as it cleans. Adjusting it from carpet to hard floor cleaning is made more accessible. With the fingertip touch controls, you can change the brush roller action. Its dynamic swivel steering makes it easy to clean between furniture. The powerful LED lights enable you to see what's going on down as you clean. The fantastic attachments make the best choice for customers. These include the pet multi-tool, duster crevice tool, and a brush roll garage. It also consists of a hair removal tool and a wall mount storage hook. At number 2, we have the Shark HV301 Rocket Ultra Light Upright HV301. Shark Rocket Ultra Light Upright HV301 deep cleans carpets and bare floors. It never loses power, thus, reliable for all-day cleaning. The tool features in simple fingertips control. You can, therefore, switch from hard floor to carpet. The machine picks up large debris and fine dust from bare floors. Its storage is simple with the dual storage options. You can safely wall-mount it or fix the dust cup to the bottom of the wand. As the name implies, it's a lightweight tool weighing 8 pounds only. It is flexible as it converts to hand vacuum. Thus, best for versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Its swivel steering guarantees you excellent control as you clean around the house. The package also includes a washable microfiber pad and a dust-away hard floor attachment. And finally, at number 1, we have the Shark NV482 Rocket Professional Upright. It is an ultra-quiet and lightweight cleaning tool. You can use it to clean multi-surfaces. It will still ensure complete and perfect dirt and dust removal. The enhanced swivel steering provides superior deep carpet cleaning. It never loses suction. The fingertip buttons controls are firm and intuitively placed. It has filters that prevent the dirt from clogging the suction. The anti-allergen complete seal technology guarantee you cleaner air. It has an ergonomic handle with rubber grips for non-slip and more control as you do your cleaning.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.